As some of you know, I'm making changes. And one of the changes was to get rid of the old NOS stuff. The stuff works, okay? I like NOS stuff. I always have. I've always used NOS stuff for a long time. And, well, it's time to get up to date. And this is going to be an unboxing. Now, I took Saturday off to stay home to wait for this package. Because all week long it said I was going to have it Saturday. So I planned for that. Well, it's now Sunday morning at 8:30 and I just now signed for it. But, as you can tell, this stuff is packed well. I've been researching what I was going to do for a long time. And I'm always indecisive about what I'm going to do. Looks like we got plenty of tune-up. He gives you his cell phone number. Cell phone. Who the hell does that? I used to do stuff like that. When I had my shop, the shop line would go straight to my cell phone. So I wouldn't give out my cell phone number. I still don't. Another induction t-shirt. Already wearing one. Lots and lots of packing peanuts here. Lots and lots of packing peanuts. Yes, my hands are already dirty because I've been out here fucking around already. Oh, this looks so good. This is just badass right here. Their stuff is always badass. I don't give a fuck what anybody says. This is going to be great. So, now, I can fit this on the car because it's been tore apart since yesterday. I had to change some things in the car again because I'm still working that out. But now I can get the fitness on the car. I've got to run down to my buddy Sean's house. He's one of the guys that has one of the fastest cars around Ohio as far as I'm concerned. And I got to go pick up some more C16 from him. But I'm going to cover more on this, the nitrous controller that I selected, some other things that I've selected, and I'm going to start getting back into doing tech videos. The Gearhead Rob channel is going to be steered toward nitrous. I will cover turbo tech like I always have. I will get into superchargers and why I don't like them and what's great about them. But we're going to get into a lot more tech videos here. We'll try to get more videos on the car. Some of you may or may not know I've changed up the seating in this thing. I've still got a lot of other things to change to the cars. All the interior is going to come back out because I'm taking all the carpet out and putting other carpet in. But that's to another day. I'm going to do a lot of Scott Rod fab panels in this thing. But this car is a rough piece of shit. It's a salvage title car. It's been wrecked. It's been hit. It doesn't matter because if it goes into the wall, it don't matter. I didn't destroy a beautiful Cobra or something of that nature. I believe race cars should not be collector's items because at some point they could very well crash. And that's just evident of how things can go. So, but anyway, you can see what I've ordered here. This all looks like pimp stuff. So, let me get off here. I'm going to get back to setting this up and seeing how I can configure this and what I'm going to need to set all this up. So, I appreciate everybody following. Sorry, the Gearhead Auto and Customs page is not going to be anymore. I'm not going to upload anymore to that channel. I know I keep saying that, but we'll see how it goes.